Hey guys, we're going to start care today by watching our handwriting video. We are doing J, and you should be on page 19 in your care packet.
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Howard, and I am a kindergarten teacher at Knox County Schools. I'm so glad that you have joined me today to write the letter J. Here is our goal for today. Today we will identify and write the lowercase and uppercase J. Look at our sound spelling card. I notice the uppercase J and the lowercase j. I also see a picture of a jacket because jacket begins with the letter J. It represents the sh sound. Can you listen carefully? J, jacket, sh. Say it with me. J, jacket, sh. Great job. Look at our lowercase j. It starts at the waistline. You're going to pull straight down through the foot line and then curve back. Lift your pencil and dot. What is the other letter that we know how to make that has the dot there? That's right, the lowercase I. Good. Let's look at our lowercase j, and I'll model how to form that correctly. Start at the waistline, pull down straight through the foot line, curve back, lift, and dot. One more time. Start at the waistline, pull down through the foot line, curve back, lift, and dot. Good job listening on how to make the lowercase j. Now let's look at our uppercase j. Our uppercase j starts at the headline, pull down straight, curve back to the foot line, and then curve up. We're going to lift, touch the headline, slide right, crossing the line. Great. Now I want you to watch me make the uppercase J on my paper. Start at the headline, pull down straight, curve back to the foot line, and then curve up. Lift, touch the headline, slide right, crossing the line. One more. Start at the headline, pull down straight, curve to the foot line, and then curve up, lift, touch the headline, slide right. Boys and girls, today you have practiced and learned how to make the uppercase and lower.
All right, very good, boys and girls. Okay, so go ahead and practice your uppercase and lowercase j if you haven't already. And if you are working on it, go ahead and pause the video. All right, give me a moment, boys and girls. I am trying to get my pen to work. So give me just a moment. All right, there we go. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, we will decode and encode words with consonant blends and long and short vowels. So we just did our handwriting practice. All right, so we have the letter I. So here's the keyword picture for I is insect. So I, insect, I. All right, and then we have I consonant E. We have our word with the example of this pattern in it. So I consonant E. That makes the sound I. So I consonant E, ride, I. All right, then we have NG with our keyword picture of kids singing. So NG, sing, ng. All right, next one we have NK. And then our keyword picture is of someone with a drink. So NK, drink, ink. All right, so here's where we practice with our patterns. So I'm going to underline my pattern. And then I also want to point out this is ST, that is a blend. NG is also a blend. A blend is a word that goes together but still has two sounds. So ST goes together, but it has two sounds. NG goes together and it also makes two sounds. So sounding this word out, st, r, I, ng, string, all right? TW is also a blend that goes together, but it makes two sounds. T, w, ig, twig. All right? NG, it's a blend, it goes together, but it makes two sounds. SP is also a blend. So, s, p, r, I, ng, spring. All right? And also, if you want to put the ing together, since it all kind of makes the same sound, and say ing, that is fine. So SP is a blend, NT is also a blend. Splint, splint. All right, I'm going to do this last one, and then you're going to do the other column by yourself. So decoding these words, sounding them out. Twist, twist. All right, so now I want you to do these words. Notice there's an I consonant E. So all of these have the I consonant E, so they're going to make the long I sound. Pause the video as you decode these words. Do exactly what I did on this side. Okay, I'll show the first couple of ones. T, w, ice, twice. The C and the E go together because it makes one sound. Sm, aisle, smile. Sp, ein, spine. And then the same ones with crime and bride. All right, so now it's time for auditory review. So you need to turn the page to the top of page 20. And your first sound is I, as in insect. I. The next one is I, as in ride. I, as in ride. Next one, ng, as in sing. Ng, as in sing. Now the last one, unk, as in drink. Unk, as in drink. All right. The first one was I. Insect, I. I consonant E. Ride, I. NG, sing, ng. NK, drink, unk. Check your answers. Correct the ones that are not correct. All right, so this is time to build words. So the first word you are spelling is clip. Clip. I put a clip in my hair. Clip. Pause while you are writing. All right, clip. C-L-I-P. L-I-P. Clip. All right, the next one you are spelling is twin. Twin. I wish I had a twin. Pause while you're writing. Play whenever you are finished. Twin. T-w-in. Twin. Next one. Slide. Slide. I love going down the slide. All right. Slide. I put the D and the E in the same box because they make one sound. We don't hear that E at the end. Okay. The last one you are spelling is stripe. Stripe. The tiger has a weird stripe. Pause while you are writing. Play whenever you're finished. Stripe. Stripe.